What's up, guys? My name is Lambo Warrior, and today I am outside with my kitty, Panda Bear, Panda Bear, Panda Bear. Uh-oh, you ain't going anywhere. You're an inside cat, right? Right? I don't know if you guys can see her, but she is right here. Good girl. Guys, the sad thing about her is she has one blind eye. What? Let me get her. See, she has like one glazed eye and one black eye. Not like black, like somebody hit her. Like a regular cat eye. Hey, Panda Bear. But guys, this is my kitty. My kitty. Oh my God, you're meowing. Good girl, I know you were sleeping, but you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Let's bring you inside. I'm bringing her inside, like on the door. Come on, Bugs. Andrew, come on. Let's go. Nope, watch the cat. Don't step on her. I brought her right here, so she will be inside. Hey, girl. Panda Bear. Hey. Hey. You guys, I'm going to stop the video right here. Subscribe and like.